say my little brother and sister are annoying, sometimes I want to kill them, thinking, okay, you are not going to kill them. That's easy enough to understand, that's one sentence. But when you include details about how your little sister is shrieking at the top of her lungs and making your eardrums burst, and how your little brother is running around throwing your room into disarray and making your toys all strewn all over the floor. I don't know if that actually happens, but you get the idea. Think of the annoying things that your little brother and sister does and explain those. Think of it this way. If a person were filming a reality TV show in your house and saw every single movement that you guys did, and then that reality TV show person would of course find the most argumentative and the most detailed and the most violent things, then think about how would you make those details so clear that your reader would be able to see them like they would on TV or in a video. So make it crystal clear. For example, this is a somewhat tamer example. If you are writing about having a tough time deciding what flavor of ice cream to eat, you would want to describe each delicious flavor that tempted you. So what's the point of doing this? Well, when your reader understands how good each flavor sounds, you make sure the reader understands why choosing between the flavors was difficult. If you just say, oh, I saw, I saw 2 different flavors of ice cream, it was kind of hard to choose between them, I ended up choosing the vanilla. Not really. I guess we could take their word for it, but it's not the most interesting. If you instead make sure that your sentence is exploding with all kinds of descriptive words, like the ones that will help your reader imagine each supporting detail, such as velvety, chocolatey, cool, silky, sticky, crunchy, delectable, then you will get a much more interesting sentence. So in a case where you have to have a decision between 2 things, or when somebody's annoying you, when you have a conflict like that, you want to describe and add details so that your reader understands how hard that conflict is and how difficult it is. So, here's an activity. Try it. Write about deciding between your favorite flavors of ice cream and describe each flavor that you are tempted by. So, focus on not so much the conflict, but rather describing each flavor you are tempted by so that the reader understands why that decision was difficult. Okay, so think to deciding between your favorite flavors of ice cream. Could be at a store, looking at different tubs of ice cream. Could be at an ice cream parlor, choosing different cones of ice cream. So think about a time when you had to decide between your favorite flavors of ice cream. Describe with lots of details each flavor you are tempted by.